Happy morning, students. Today's topic, baking of bread, biscuit and cake. What is baking? Baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat to bake. Baking is a method of preparing food that uses dry heat normally in an oven. The most common baked item is bread, but many other types of foods are baked. Heat is gradually transferred from the surface of cakes and breads to the center. Let us see about bread. Bread is a stable food prepared from dough of flour and water, usually by baking. Why is bread is called as a stable food? Bread has been part of a human diet for 30,000 years. It provides energy in the form of carbohydrate. It is a low-fat food. And it have many essential dietary fibers and nutrients. To make bread, we need wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. Bread spoils 6 times faster when kept in fridge than at room temperature. Okay, and next one is biscuits. Biscuit is a small quick bread usually made from wheat flour. Okay, and biscuit is a small quick bread, and it consists of shortening and baking powder, butter, milk and flavors. And its main ingredient is flour, sugar and water. Okay, and the dough kneaded briefly and rolled out, and the biscuits are cut with the round cutter. And this is a biscuit. The main ingredient of biscuit is flour, sugar, water and baking powder, butter, milk and flavors. Biscuit. And next one, cake. Cake is a sweet form of food. Cake is a baked dessert also. It is like a sweet bread. That is usually baked. We use cake during festivals and celebrations. Ingredients for making cake: flour, sugar, oil, eggs, baking powder and flavoring agent. Cake. Cake. We've seen about baking of bread, biscuit and cake. Baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat to bake bread. It provides energy in the form of carbohydrate. It is a low-fat food, and ingredients used for making bread is wheat flour, yeast, water, sugar and salt. Next one, biscuit. Biscuit is a small quick bread usually made from flour, sugar, water, baking powder and butter, milk and flavors. Tell me students, which is the first biscuit in India? In 1939, Parle baked is first biscuit in India. Next one, cake. Cake is a baked dessert. It is like a sweet bread. Ingredients are flour, sugar, oil, eggs, baking powder and flavoring agents. Our next topic is gadgets. Gadgets is a small mechanical or electronic device to do particular functions. Number of gadgets have changed our lives. They make our life enjoyable. Example, laptop, phone, camera, pen drive, speakers. And let us see about smartphones. Okay, let us see about smartphones. Smartphones. Smartphones, a mobile. Smartphones is a mobile, touch mobile that performs many of functions of a computer. Typically having a touch screen. Of interface, internet access, and an operating system capable of running downloaded apps. So here, so this is a smartphone. We can carry this smartphone at anywhere, anytime. Next one, portable music player and Bluetooth. Okay, coming to the Bluetooth. This is a Bluetooth. Bluetooth, we can listen thousands of songs anytime and anywhere with the connection of this smartphone. What we have to do is, we are, just wait, we have to connect this device to this system, okay, this device to this Bluetooth system, and we can play the songs with your Google Play Store, and this device will be connected to this mobile phone. We can hear so many songs. And next one, tablets. People use tab to read books, play games, and watch videos. And next one, pen drive. Okay, pen drive. Pen drive is a small storage device shaped like pen with built-in data storage that connects to a computer by a USB port. And next one, electric torch. Torch is used to provide light in the dark places when it is switched on. Students, let us recall today's question. Already we seen about baking items. Baking is a method of cooking. We use dry heat for baking food items. Some of the baked food items are bread, biscuits, and cakes. Next one, gadgets. Gadget is a small mechanical or electronic device to do particular functions. Some of the gadgets are smartphone, Bluetooth, portable player, and pen drive, and electric torch. Thank you, students.